Hey guys, Tactical Diesel Dad. So somebody hit my truck again today, and it's so frustrating because now I gotta put my truck in the shop. Who knows how long? Thankfully, it's not too crazy of damage on my truck. The road armor bumper is really protected, but the best thing you guys can do is get a dash cam because, as you'll see, I'll play the clip. I was not at fault, just minding my own business. I had no clue this car was going to try to make a turn in front of me. I can't predict what they're gonna do. I'm not inside their head, reading their mind. But this lady, she calmed down once she saw the video, but she got out and accused me of being the one in the wrong, saying that I was going too fast. And as you can see, I'm not even doing the speed limit, which is 40 miles an hour right there. But we had just made a turn and we were on our acceleration from a turn. Anyway, so the best thing you guys can do is get a dash cam. They really protect you because everybody seems to want to lie for some reason when you get in an accident. So check out the clip. I'll show the damage to my truck, and then I'll be working on getting my truck fixed again.
When we come back, by the way, do you carry, by the way? Do you have concealed carry insurance? I'll have to talk about it next.
The TCU Horned Frogs are now undefeated at 4-0. Next up, the Kansas Jayhawks. Saturday morning at 10. With time, deep ball right side of the man in mid-coverage. With the jumper coming inside the 20, inside the 10, and will race in and score. 75-yard strike. TCU Horned Frog football is
So here's the damage. The hubcap was broken off. I may see if there's any damage on these studs. I'll have those replaced. It doesn't look like there is right now. Hubcap was Line-X, so I'm going to have to make sure they spray that. Rim has scrapes on it, so I'll get a new rim. I'll ask for a new tire as well. Anytime there's any type of damage on the rim, I go ahead and get a new tire. And you can see on the bumper, this is offset just a little bit. This is like pushed in maybe a quarter to half an inch, so I'm not sure if the bumper was just moved on the frame or if the bumper's actually bent, but you can see where the scraping was on the side right here. And then some more right there and there. And you can see where the tail light, or the red piece of tail light plastic still stuck on the bumper right there. So that's where the front of the or the rear of the car hit the front of my bumper. So other than that, Herculiner held up really well. I'll see if that's cut through. Well, maybe not all the way, but since it's all scraped up, I'll ask for them to go ahead and Line-X the front bumper. So I spoke with the insurance company today, and they said the lady, the other driver, was contesting who was at fault in the accident, even though yesterday she saw the video and she knows that she's at fault. And then I was just driving down the road and she came into my lane and hit me. So for whatever reason, people just seem to want to not take the blame, and it's just insurance. Pay your deductible or have it taken out of your claim, get your car fixed, and you're good to go. So I cannot stress the importance of having a dash cam. Not sure what would happen if I didn't have one now, because it's kind of hard to say that I was at fault if she admits to changing lanes. But if you're lawfully in your lane of travel and another car comes into your lane, you have the right of way. So get a dash cam. You can get one for $100. Get the touch screen, and the new ones even have apps that you can review the video on your phone. So that makes it easy to review versus mine. I have to take my camera down and play it off the camera. Either way, can't stress that enough to get a dash cam. This is my 4th accident within a year. And those road armor bumpers are amazing. They have protected my my truck from body damage. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll update again once I get my truck back, and have to wait for them to review the video. So like and subscribe. Appreciate it, guys.